Okay, firstly we're trying to take this pulley off and spindle down the bottom here, and the pulley that carries the belt through, so we can get access to it. I'm putting the nut on so I know where everything goes. With this one here, of course, it's frozen. Oh, sorry, that one there was frozen, but this one here. But I'll do that later, and we'll continue with the other nuts and bolts. I'm going to have a go at taking this spindle out, this baby here, and get the right socket. Beyond, what's this off? No, it's metric. Bear with me, we're getting there. Here we go. I've already pre-sprayed this with seasoning agent, WD-40. So hopefully it's penetrated pretty well into the bolt that's holding this spindle on. Oh, did you see that? There was the inspector. He just came around.